Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You now begin. Make sure your iPhone has CarPlay enabled in settings and the Hyundai is in ACC or on. Plug a good Apple USB cable into the EXTER's USB port, then connect your phone. This starts the handshake. Once connected, glance at the infotainment screen for the CarPlay icon. If you prefer wireless, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone first, but start wired to confirm basic function. It's faster and more reliable. Once the cable is plugged in, tap the CarPlay icon on the EXTER screen, then look at your iPhone and accept the connection prompt. You must allow CarPlay to access contacts and messages for full functionality. Make sure Siri is enabled on the phone because voice controls run CarPlay safely while driving. Next, set display options and confirm steering wheel button mapping. This ensures you can change tracks and answer calls without reaching for the screen. You're ready to drive with CarPlay active. Open Maps for navigation, music for audio, or phone to call. Use Siri for hands-free commands so you keep your eyes on the road. Make sure the EXTER's volume and source are set correctly and adjust display brightness if needed. If CarPlay fails to appear, try a different Lightning/USB-C cable, restart your iPhone, or toggle CarPlay in settings. One quick cable swap or reboot usually fixes common connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.